Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can boost your volume power in Xiaomi 14. So in the first step, let's open the Play Store and look for the volume booster app. Choose app from the div, install it and open. Now past the setup you can follow my moves and the tool is active. You can increase or decrease the booster power by this little slider, so just add the turns, that's 16% max. If you want to turn off this application, you have to click on the stop service button and choose OK. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.